In this video, I'll show you how to install a tempered glass screen protector for your Samsung S7 Edge. The tempered glass was bought at eBay. Let's take a look what's inside. In this package, you'll get a tempered glass screen protector. Check any defect. No. It also comes with a dust sticker and also the alcohol wipe. Let's begin. First, you need to clean the phone with the alcohol wipe.
The fact is, everybody gives an opinion when they really think about it, when they really probe what's going on in their heart. The most important thing in life is relationships.
I fast forward this process.
Connections with others. God Himself created us for relationships. And having created us for relationships with Himself and with one another, He instituted this beautiful weekly reminder. This slice of time.
After cleaning with the wet alcohol, you can get the dry wipe to wipe it, or you can get a dry cloth to dry the alcohol. Once you clean it dry, you take off the dust sticker and stick if there's any dust on the phone, so that it won't form any bubbles when you stick the screen protector. Once you have done that, you get the tempered glass screen protector and remove the film on the back. First, you will try to align the screen protector with the home button and the speaker port. Take your time on this. Okay, slowly you align it, and then once they are aligned, you gently press in the center of the glass lightly. Then the adhesive part will spread all over the phone smoothly. Check all the edge, is it smoothly aligned? Also try to press the side of the four corners and all the corners with your fingers for the glue to settle in. Now, your phone is ready to be used. Alright. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button for support. Thank you.